It's time to be creative in 3D and virtual reality, VR. It's time for Unity. Challenge number 3 is adding the hit sound when you hit certain fruit. I give you a bunch of sounds like strawberry, banana, kiwi, and apple. And you're gonna add those not to all the prefabs, but only the sliced prefabs. So when you hit certain fruit, it should play different sounds. So let's see what this challenge looks like. That's a kiwi sound. There's a banana sound. I'm trying to get an apple. There's a banana. And the score is over.